There are two ways to increase computer capacity. The first one is to buy new equipment, which means spending quite a lot of money. The second way is to increase the efficiency of the equipment that you already have using all modern means and skills. The first method suits well-established, respectable companies that can afford spending money to buy new computers. The second method suits regular users and small businesses that are reluctant to spend money on new computer equipment. Chip temperature is one of the main aspects that restricts users in overclocking. Today, CPUs consume quite a lot of power, more than 20 watts. It is clear that when operating at such high frequencies, it is impossible to avoid side effects. Core heating is one of those side effects of unwanted capacity loss. The problem of cooling is probably the main limiting factor. Besides computer overclocking, the interest in water cooling is caused by one more aspect. Water is supplied by a water pump, which is practically noiseless. Thus we get rid of one of the main sources of noise in the system unit, CPU cooler. Moreover, water cooling has another advantage. A regulator cooler takes away heat from the CPU but dissipates it inside the system unit. Water cooler, however, takes the heat out of the casing completely, so one could easily get rid of unnecessary fans or at least decrease the speed of their rotation. Standard set of the water cooler WC202 Ultra allows to do the cooling of the CPU, video card or both simultaneously. So let's have a look at the possible cooler connections in all these cases. The first option: connecting the cooler to the CPU. With the help of plastic tubes, we connect together the cooler, the CPU, the heatsink and the executive unit. We fill the water unit with a mixture of water and anti-freezing agent. We connect the power supply of the computer to the executive unit and check its operation. The second option: connecting cooler to the video card. The third option: connecting the cooler to both CPU and video card. In conclusion, it is important to mention that before installing cooler into the system unit, it is necessary to put the design together on the desk, to be sure of its structural integrity.